channel SAP PPQM. So in last session we have completed make to order cycle. So in today's session I am going to explain about serial number management. Okay. So what is serial number management, how we are going to use in SAP, and what are the prerequisites we need to predefined in SAP system to use the serial number management. Okay. So for example, okay, just for your understanding purpose, so serial number is a unique code, okay, which will assign to any material. So one material, each material having their unique code will be there. If for example, if you buy any car, okay, you will able to see that chassis number, okay. So each car having different chassis number. So that chassis number where we have given that from the serial number management only the chassis number get updated. Okay, not only in car, okay, but in also laptops, mobiles, you will get one unique code will be there to track easily. Okay, suppose any industry want to track what are the goods movements is done for this material, so for that purpose they can easily track what are the steps are carried out for this material and serial number management. So that is why they are in SAP, we are going to use serial number management. Okay, so there are many prerequisites are there to create the serial number management. So first one is we need to create a serial number profile, and for that serial number profile we need to assign serializing procedure, like what are the how the serial number is going to use, what purpose we are going to use. So those things we need to update in serializing procedure, and the same serial number profile we need to update in material master view as well. Okay, in material master work scheduling view we can update the serializing profile. Okay, so first I will explain in Excel, later I will update in SAP screen as well. So serial number management in simple way to, so what is serial, so to track any product, okay, easily, and what are the movements, goods movement, okay, this movement done against the serial number we can find easily, so we can check. Okay, example we can give car chassis number, okay, laptop serial number, etc. Okay, so we need to assign a serial number profile, okay, in the material master, and then only it is possible to we can assign the serial number for that material combination. So first of all what we need to do is we need to create, okay, steps are prerequisites. Okay, we can say prerequisites for creation of serial number profile in SAP. So first of all we need to define a serial number profile. Okay, define serial number profile. Second step, define serializing procedure. In third step, assign serial number profile in SAP Material Master. We can say work scheduling view. Okay. So we need to assign serial number profile in SAP Material Master work scheduling view. Okay. In fourth step. So this is a remaining step, like while creating production order, we need to generate the serial number. Serial number generation in production order, and we can check serial number history in T code IQ09. So how the serial number profile we need to define, how is the serializing procedure. So this step I will show in SAP, and these steps we need to perform in SPRO. Okay. So the T code is SPRO, but the full form is SAP Project Reference Object. Okay. So the full form is SAP Project Reference Object Guide. Okay. So the SPRO full form is, this is a T code guys, don't confuse. So SPRO is a T code, and the full form of SPRO is SAP Project Reference Object Guide. So in this SPRO there are different paths are available. So which path we need to update, I will show you in SAP initially, later I will update in the Excel as well. Okay. So let's I will show you SAP screen now. So in SAP screen, as I mentioned in Excel, that we need to go to SPRO. Okay, in the search option. So here you can maintain that SPRO. If you click on enter, you can see it is open that start of application, customizing of edit object. So here you can see SAP reference IMG implementation guide. Okay, IMG in the sense implementation guide, and SAP in SPRO I told, right? Yes, SAP, and R means reference, O means object, and IMG implementation guide. So we need to click on that. So we need to click on that SAP reference IMG. Then it will open that display IMG. Okay. So IMG means implementation guide. So here we have we have different modules related guidance. Okay. So here if you want to do any material related configuration settings, you need to do here. Okay. So now the serial number management we need to update in plant maintenance and customer service. So here only the serial number management will be there. So in that plant and customer service, we need to go master data. One second here. Yeah, master data in plant maintenance and customer service. So after opening that, we need to go to technical objects. So in technical objects, we have serial number. So you can see here we have serial number management. So if you don't know where the serial number management is there, so in that case what you can do, here we have find binocular symbol, you can see. So here when you click here, it will open the pop-up, okay, search terms. So if what I will enter serial number management, and if I hit enter, so it will show the same screen. Okay, so those who don't know where the path is there, in that case you can directly click on the binocular symbol, then it will directly open to the this screen. Okay, you can see it highlighted in green color. So here you need to click downside. So as I mentioned, we need to create a serial number profile, but already in SAP we have serial number profile is available. So just for understanding purpose, I will show you what are the master data they have updated in this serial number profile. So for if you want T code also, you can have one T code like OIS2 is a T code to open this serial number management. Suppose in another screen I will show you. So suppose if you enter OIS2, enter, so you can see it will directly open to maintain serial number profile. So as I opened all in another tab, I mean in another screen, I have already opened that same screen. That is the reason it is showing that the data is locked by SAP user. Okay, this is my SAP user screen. That is why it is get updated like SAP user. So I want to click on S means it will show this same thing, but if I already open, so I will go to there only. So here you can see this is serial number profile 01. Okay, 0001 is if you want to enter new one, means here you have option like new entries. So when you click on new entries, it will open one more line item in the bottom. Okay, so here one more line item will open. Then you can do one thing like you need to copy, you need to enter the serial number profile. Okay, only 4 digits are allowed. So after that you need to give the serial number profile text. Okay, so why, what is the category, for what purpose this serial number profile is going to use. Suppose plant maintenance person, what they will do, they will use serial number profile for machines. Okay, machines and equipments. And production person, what they will do, they need to use for equipments like the product which they have done the finished product. Okay, like goods receipt is done for the final product. In that case they are going to use the customer equipments. Okay, so I will use pp01. And what we need to do, I need to use this serial number profile in material master of the final product or semi final product. Suppose team also, they will use their serial number profile in their materials which are going to do purchase order against GR. Okay, so in that case they are also each department having their own serial number profile. So according to their suitable criteria, they are going to use their own serial number profile. Okay, so suppose as a PP person, I required this 0001 serial number profile for customer equipments. Okay, and category you can see there, if you click on F4, you can see many categories will be available. Like these many category 21 categories are there, like machines with serial number. Okay, vehicle serial number. So like this way the serial number categories are there, but I am going to use customer equipment category. And after that, once the serial number profile is created, what we need to do is we need to assign the serializing processor, how the serial number going to use. Okay, so I will selected this first serial number profile. If I double click, you can see these are the serial number profile processor. So in which case this serial number profile is going to use. So if you see the procedure is MMSL. So MMSL means whenever you do goods received, goods issue document, then the serial number should be required. And the usage, you can see usage also if you click F4. So 2 in the sense optional. So if you keep 01 means it is not required. Okay, so if the serial number is used, the serial number profile is used in any material master, if you not required, like when I do goods receipt or goods issue, I don't require the serial number, in that case you need to give 01 not required. And if you choose 02 optional means if either you can use or else you don't use. In that case you need to use optional, and this is, it should restrict, okay. Like if the serial number is there, then only we need to do goods receipt or goods issue. So that is why obligatory is the 03 serial number usage. And 4 means whenever you do goods issue or goods receipt, automatically it should get created a serial number, okay. So in that case you need to assign a 04. So currently they have used 02. So 02 in the sense optional. So either if you want you can create, or else not required means you don't want to create. And this one is, if I go here and if you click F4, equipment related, okay, equipment requirement, this is serial number usage, this is equipment requirement. So what purpose for this equipment is required, I mean equipment requirement is 01, proposal without equipment. And if the serial, if the product is there, if you want to required equipment number for that product, then you need to use a 01, sorry, 02, always with equipment. So if you create a serial number, then the equipment number should also get updated. In that case, when you do goods issue goods receipt, then the equipment number should also need to update, then you need to use 02. And if you don't require means you can use 01. So currently they have, while doing goods issue goods receipt, for this serial number profile and for this serializing procedure, it required the optional usage, okay, serial number usage, and it should require a equipment number. And this is for production order, okay, serial number. When you create a production order, then in that case the serial number is optional, okay. Either if you require means you can create a serial number, and here equipment number is 01. So 01 means proposal, like if you want means, if you create also, if you are not required without equipment, okay. So without equipment means the whenever you assign serial number, there is no not required of equipment number. So that is why they have given 01. So that is the serializing procedure, okay. And remaining release, when at the time of release, what is the usage, okay. So here it is giving that when you release the order, the serial number is mandatory. So obligatory means mandatory field, optional, mandatory. If you want automatically create when I release the order, you can use 04. So and the equipment also they have used as without equipment, okay. uh, so these are the serializing procedure, guys. So, and whenever the inspection lot is created, then also it required a serial number you can update, okay. So that is why first we need to create a serial number profile, later we need to do a serializing procedure, in which case the serial number should get updated, and what was the usage and equipment requirement is required or not, okay. So this is a serializing procedure. So once the serial number profile and serializing procedure is updated, now what you need to do is you need to assign a serial number profile in material master view. So now what I will do, first of all I will check MMBE. So because the stock should be initially, okay, if I go to use, we have a sales order stock, so we need to do goods issue against the customer order. So first of all I will do the goods issue, then we can update the serial number profile, okay. /m. So now the final product, okay, which is available, we have sales order quantity. Previously we have sales order quantity 1 quantity, but I have posted the goods issue to customer, so that is why here it is showing a 0 quantity. Now I will update a serial number profile, okay, in mm02. Continue. So here continue. In work scheduling view, we need to update serial number profile. So here you can see serial number profile option is there. When you click on F4, you can see these many serial number profiles are available. So now I will use 0001 serial number profile. Okay, enter, continue. Okay, I have completed the serial number profile. I have updated the serial number profile for final product. Now I will update for semi-finish also. Same in work scheduling view, plant 1000 and serial number profile. Save. Okay. So whenever I will create a production order for semi-finished product and final product. It will, it will ask serial number when you release the order. Suppose for understanding purpose, I will create one order, okay, directly without reference to any sales order or any demand, okay. So how we will create in CO01. So in CO01, I will give electric bike FG and order type PP01. Enter. So I will give one quantity. I will scheduling type is current date. I will give current date. When I click on enter, here you can see the current date will be updated. Continue. Select the routing. Okay, so scheduling is carried out. Now I will release the order. So you can see downside, it previously when in make to stock and make to order, before assigning the serial number profile, it is always showing that release is carried out. But in our case, what is happened when I release the order, it is showing that release is rejected, because when you release the order, it will check the serial number profile is updated for this material master or not. If it is updated, then we need to assign a serial number. Okay, so how we need to assign serial number for this product and for this quantity? Here we have option, okay, header. So in this is a header bar, guys. So this options which are available, this is header bar. So here in the option header we have serial number. Okay, so when you click on serial number, so you can see for one quantity it is showing only one serial number box. Suppose if I enter 10 quantity, it will show 10 serial number box. Okay, so you can see it is showing 10 quantity. So I will give only one. Continue. Sorry, not create batch. I will create serial number. Suppose if you want automatically the system should create, you can click on create serial number automatically option. Suppose if you want type manually also, you can type manually like test 1. So like that also you can update. So but if you want system should create automatically, then I will click on create serial number automatically. Then for this product still there is one serial number also not updated. That is why it is showing that serial number 1 is assigned. Now if I click on continue and if I release, you can see here now it is showing as a release carried out downside. So that is why we are going to use serial number profile, like to track this material, what are the goods movement is done for this material. For tracking easy way, we need to update a serial number profile in a material master view. Okay, so I hope you understand this serial number management process. So in SAP I have showed that the prerequisite steps. So here I will update the path and T code as well. Okay, so here define serial number profile. The T code is OIS2. Okay, so if you require path, in the sense here I will update path as well. Path. So first go to SPRO. Okay, then plant maintenance, and I will write plant maintenance and customer services. Okay, later master data in plant maintenance and customer services. Okay, after that technical object. So after that serial number management. So there you can see define serial number profile. Okay, so create a new. There I showed that you need to create a new serial number profile. You can click on create a new entry, then you can create a new serial number profile. After creating serial number profile, you need to assign a serial number procedure. Okay, serializing procedure. And after updated the serializing procedure, like for which goods movement, for which production order, okay, what are the uses you need to update, those things you need to define in serializing procedure. Once the serial number profile and serializing procedure is completed, you need to update serial number profile in material master work scheduling view. Okay, the T code you already know. The T code is MM02 for semi-finish or final or raw material as well. And if you want to track the serial number for material and serial number combination, the T code is IQ01. And SPRO I have updated like SAP project reference object. IMG means implementation guide, suppose. And if you want to create a serial number, you can manually also create in IQ01 T code. Okay, so to create serial number, T code is IQ01. Okay, for create, and for change IQ02, and for display IQ03. And to check the serial number history, or to check the serial number, multiple serial number, you can check in IQ09. Okay, multiple serial number and multiple material combination you want to see means you can check in IQ09 T code. So I hope you understand this process, guys, serial number management topic. So what are the uses? Okay, so and how we can use in production process. Thank you, guys, thanks for watching SAP PPQM. So in upcoming session I will tell you about batch management as well. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.